Hi guys, so today I thought it would be fun to film myself trying to create a makeup look inspired by Jimin's signature warm smoky eye. I've seen a lot of pictures on Twitter recently of his signature smoky eye and I've been really inspired. Let me just show you guys quickly. This is the look that I'm taking inspiration from. It's just a really pretty warm smoky eye that transitions from a dark brown at the lash line to like a lighter warm brown in the crease. I think it's really pretty and he has like these pouty peachy lips and just really nice flawless skin. So I tried my best to create a makeup look inspired by that look. I really like the way it came out, and I also play some of my favorite BTS songs while I am getting ready, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you also love BTS down below, and I will see you guys in the video. Oh, my hair probably looks crazy. I just look crazy. Anyway, I already did my brows and applied primer. Foundation, I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation. It was my first time mixing these two and I don't really know how I feel about it. I feel like my skin is really dry today, so it's kind of crusting up everywhere. I love the feel and look of these foundations on their own, but I don't know if I necessarily like them mixed together. And then for concealer, I just put on the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in ColourPop No Filter. And then I just did a bit of cream contouring with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour stick. And now I think I'm just gonna bake a little because I don't want to appear too cakey, and I feel like this foundation's already making me look kind of cakey, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of baking in the center of my face, like my T-zone, with the MAC Patrick collab. Okay, so what I really want to do in this video is not only do a makeup look inspired by Jimin's warm smoky eye, but also play some of my favorite BTS songs. I just fucking love BTS and I always listen to their music when I'm doing my makeup. Shit, I listen to their music all the time, but I especially love listening to the music while doing my makeup. They've been a huge source of inspiration for me lately, so listening to their music just makes it so much better. So I'm gonna play a couple of my favorite songs, and I'm only gonna do short clips of their songs because I don't want to get copyrighted. You know what? We're gonna play Dimple. I fucking love Dimple. Can I just say, the performance of this song, the live performance of this song during the BTS 5th muster, whew, that shit is something else. It's one of my favorite live performances ever. Highly recommend that you guys watch their 5th muster. It's so freaking good. They performed literally all of my favorite songs, plus songs that I never thought I'd get to see live. So I was super happy with the muster and I can't wait until it comes out on DVD. Oh, baby, no. Okay, now I'm just warming up my face. Keep in mind that this is just like an inspired makeup look. I'm not trying to recreate it. I know that the boys don't really like contour or put on blush or anything like that. I don't think my face shape looks good without it, so I need to warm it up and contour a bit. I'm also gonna go in with blush, so while I'm doing that, I'm gonna play another one of my favorites, The Truth Untold. Y'all, that song gets me in my feels. I love the song to begin with. I always thought that the song was incredibly beautiful, but until I learned the English translation of the lyrics, like, that song makes me want to cry like every time I listen to it now. Just like the meaning behind the song, I just can't even describe it, you guys. If you love this song, well, first of all, you're gonna love the song because it's beautiful. It just sounds beautiful. I really like the beat. It's produced by Steve Aoki and he's an incredible DJ. It's a great song that showcases the vocal lines vocals, and I think that all of them are really great singers in their own way. This is Devin's favorite BTS song and we always sing it together. You know that I can't show you me, giving me 초라한 모습 보여줄 순 없어. 또 가면을 쓰고 날 만나러 가, but I still want you. Okay, so now I am picking out an eyeshadow palette so I can start doing the eyeshadow look. I'm just looking at the pictures I have for inspiration. It's just like a warm brown smoky eye. He also does it here. He wears it a lot, and I applaud the makeup artists. They do such a great job on their makeup. Shoot, I really want to be one of their makeup artists. That would be the dream. But I'm going to use the Tartiste palette because it has a good variety of warm and like neutral cool browns. I'm gonna try the new ABH eye primer. I've heard amazing things about this eyeshadow primer, so I'm really excited to try it out. Set that a bit with like a cream color, and then I'm just going to add a transition color. I think I'm going to use like a neutral brown, so I'm gonna take Innocent and maybe a little bit of Profesh. Just apply that all over the crease as a transition shade. In the meantime, I'm also going to play another BTS song. Let's see. I'm going to play Hualien 52. I'm gonna go in with Edgy, which is like this dark brown right here. It has a neutral undertone, so I'm just going to pack that on the lid. They smudge it out on the lash line. It's like a dark brown, almost like a black, and then they sort of create a gradient effect. Smudge it out on the lash line and then bring it up. Okay, next I'm gonna play Let Go. It's probably my favorite Japanese song of theirs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of a more warm brown. So I'm gonna take Whimsy right here and use that as like the transition shade between the dark brown and then the crease shade we put in earlier. Blend the two together because I can see in this picture that he definitely has a warmer brown in the crease. I'm also gonna add lashes too because I look crazy if I wear eyeshadow without lashes. I'm gonna take a little bit of Smoked, which is the really dark brown color, and just smoke out my lash line again. I'm also gonna define the brow bone with a color, so I'm just gonna take that classic color that we used to set our base and just apply it directly under the brow bone. So let's play 2-3. I'm gonna play the outro, Love in School. I freaking love this outro. I think that the vocals are really good. Okay, we're gonna play one of the new ones, Heartbeat. That song gets me in my feels too. This part right here. Just plopped on these lashes. I think they look really good. I see that he has a little bit of shadow on the lower outer corner of the eye right here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Edgy and Smoked and just pop that right there and connect it to the eyeshadow I have on the upper part of my eye. And this is cute. Okay, so he doesn't really have anything in the inner corner, but I feel like my eyes kind of look weird if I don't. So I'm just gonna take a bit of, you know, I'll put my highlight in the inner corner like I normally do. Let's do lips. So he has like a peachy lip in both of these pictures, so I'm gonna do that. He obviously has much fuller lips than I do, but you know what, I'm gonna try to make him look as pouty as possible. He has the prettiest lips on the planet, but you know, we'll try. Okay, actually before I do lips, let me apply some highlight. You know what, let's take an oldie but a goodie. I'm gonna take a bit of Peach Goddess by Jeffree Star because I feel like this is not necessarily a natural highlight, but it's not super bold, so I think it'll just add a nice peachy glow onto the cheeks because we're kind of sticking with like a warm brown peachy look. And then with this, I'm also going to apply a little in my inner corner. Why am I not playing any music? Let's do Autumn Leaves. I don't know how I feel about the lips. He obviously doesn't have like a super opaque lip color on. You know what, I'm taking it off. This does not look good. Honestly, I think what they do is apply a bit of foundation on the lips and then just put a tinted lip balm on top. I'll just leave a little bit of the lip color on, and then I'm going to take the Nivea Peach Lip Care. I actually think that they do use Nivea lip products, so this might be as close as we can get to his lip color. This is much better. And it makes your lips so juicy. Not bad. I obviously don't look like Jimin, but we'll make it work. So I'm gonna spray my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. Let that soak into the skin. Let's play one more song with Mic Drop. I freaking love this song, but the Steve Aoki remix. Well, this is the finished look. Here, let me pull up the picture. Let's see. Oh, also look at my cute phone case. Oh my gosh. The stickers came in one of the albums, and I bought this clear case off Amazon, and I had these photo cards from Etsy. I have a ton of photo cards, and I wanted a clear case so I can showcase my photo cards. So this is the first one I put, and it's a Jimin, my bias. Anyway, let's pull up the picture. So this is the photo that I used for reference. Tried to be as smoky as possible. Mine is a little more dramatic. I brought it up a little more on the lid. This is another picture I used for reference, but I just love Korean makeup trends, and I love Jimin's signature smoky eye, so I wanted to use it as inspiration for my makeup look today because I haven't really done like a super dramatic makeup look in a while, and I thought that this was a good way to transition back into my creative makeup look. So we'll see where this takes me from here, but I had a lot of fun filming this video. I will definitely be filming more BTS related videos. I'll show you guys some more of my favorite songs. That was only a few of my favorites. I have so many more, and I just love to talk about BTS. What better way to do that than to play around with makeup and listen to their music. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down below, and if you want to see me recreate any of the other makeup looks that they do. I don't think they do too many. This is just one that really caught my eye, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at JKBeauty8, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.